Hey buds! We just lost a dear friend who was one of the biggest supporters of this channel, so I would like to dedicate this video to her. She was a beautiful person and I am going to miss her very, very much. But today we are going to make a really simple, tasty soup using some of the dehydrated mushrooms that we collected this summer. So a while back, I was asked to contribute a recipe for a resource that was being made by dietitians across the country for Canada's 150th anniversary. So I was given constraints of it had to be less than an hour to make and 7 ingredients at the most. So I've never actually at that time had worked with constraints like that, and it was pretty tough, but with the help of my official taste tester, Charles, we put together this tasty recipe and we're pretty happy with it. So back then we were using store-bought shiitakes, but today we are going to try it with some wild and free mushrooms. So in a large pot we are going to combine 6 cups or 1.5 liters of water, 2/3 of a cup of wild rice, which isn't rice but actually a grass, and an ounce or so, 28 grams of wild dried mushrooms in small pieces or slices, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Then we are going to bring that to a boil, and once it's there, we will bring it down to low and simmer it with the lid on for 40 minutes. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari. Stir them a little and then give it a few more minutes for it to heat through. Garnish if you got them, and enjoy.